Hey everybody, Todd Wizingas here. Sometimes we'll get a call from a customer and they'll say, I have a cordless cellular shade and my bottom rail is crooked and so I need to get it fixed. And the reality is it really doesn't need to get fixed. It's just a simple adjustment that you can make and it's really easy. So if you are raising your shade and somehow it gets a little crooked, actually it's a super easy adjustment. You just want to grab the bottom rail with both hands and you just want to adjust it until the shade is level. You can push it all the way up, pull it back down, and then you'll see that it levels out. If it's a little crooked, just grab it and adjust it until you get it level. Okay, same thing on the top down. So this is a top down, bottom up shade. If you have a top down shade and it gets a little crooked, okay, all you gotta do is grab that rail, level it back out, raise it up, and you're good to go. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to call our customer support number, but that should do the trick for you. Thank you.